In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Speechify for free 2024 Text-to-Speech AI. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Speechify and look for the official result from Speechify.com. Click through to the site, then choose the Try for Free option. This takes you into a quick onboarding flow that helps the app tailor your listening experience. You'll see a series of simple questions and short screens. Just answer the prompts about your listening preferences, what you'd like to listen to, and your goals. Then click Continue each time to move forward. You'll also confirm the devices you plan to use and whether you want to listen anywhere or keep a schedule. Don't overthink it. There are no wrong answers, and you can adjust these settings later. The key is to keep clicking. Continue after each page so you progress through the setup smoothly. Next, you'll pick a voice. Take a moment to preview a few options and choose the one you like best. Some voices may be premium, but there are free choices available. If you select a voice like the well-known celebrity option, the button may say, "Continue with that specific voice." Otherwise, you'll see a standard Continue button. Click to confirm your choice. You'll then set your preferred reading speed. Use the preview to find a pace that's comfortable. Faster speeds help you get through content quickly, but clarity is more important, so select what you can follow easily. Click Continue to confirm and proceed through the confirmation screens. When prompted to create your account, choose Continue with Google. Pick the Google account you want to use and complete the sign-in. This creates your free account. If you see any upsell pages, just look for a way to proceed with the basic experience and continue. After sign-in, if the page doesn't load your workspace right away, open a new browser tab, search for Speechify again, and click back to the main site. You should now be signed in and land on your dashboard. From here, you're ready to start using Speechify for free. You can paste text to hear it read aloud, explore the library area, and adjust settings like voice and speed anytime. If you plan to use it often, consider pinning the site or installing the official extension later so you can listen from more places with fewer clicks. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be up and running with Speechify for free, with a voice and speed that fit your style. Happy listening!